So look, I think I just read that your organic sales in the first quarter, up 10%, and you're increasing your outlook on growth and sales to 4 to 8%. Now, either there's going to be a big slowdown or you're being overcautious. Which is it, Esther?
Thank you for your question. That also implies your trust on our capability to, as we did last year, to be aiming at the high end of the year. We are not over precautious or over cautious. We can guarantee you our commitment to do and to be and to aim to the high end of the range. But at the same time, we are embracing the volatility and the uncertainty of the world that we live in. As you mentioned, very strong results very strong start of the year. We're very, very pleased and very proud of the 10% organic growth. And then also with double-digit growth with 3 in our main business areas. And then the uplifting of our guidance, including the loss of sales to Russia and Ukraine. As you know, we're not supplying our solutions to Russia, and including also sustaining our guidance on EBIT margin, including the volatility and increasing raw material prices. So yes, strong start to the year and committed to the high end of the range that we're lifting, but also embracing the volatility and the certainty of the market that we live in.
Esther, I was looking at the comments about what has affected potentially performance and what could continue to. You can't do anything really about the coronavirus pandemic. You can't do anything about this horrendous war in Ukraine. But maybe you can do something about your supply chain. Are you making progress on that front? Shortening supply chains, perhaps making it more immune to the volatility we're seeing?
Well, your comment, you cannot do anything. We all can do something. We cannot fix it, but we can all do something on both areas. We do help with our solutions of enzymes for COVID testing for the pandemic, and we feel very proud on how we contributed, and also on how our solutions they help on producing the sanitizers and all the tools and capabilities that kept us fit and in a good spirit. And the same in Ukraine and the tragic war in Ukraine. As I mentioned, we're standing firm on our position, and also we're contributing with humanitarian help from our time of our employees, but also with monetary contributions. And then, yes, on the areas that we can control on supply chain, there we're doubling up intensity. We feel very, very proud of all our plants continue to running. That was the case during all the pandemic in the last couple of years, and it continues to be despite the levels of uncertainty. And then it also shows the ductility of our supply chain and that we are sustaining orders to our customers, and we keep delivering despite the uncertainties and the very high volatility that we have seen on all these last months.
Esther, it's Karen jumping in. I want to ask you about the geographies, because lumpy old numbers as we take a look at different regions, very strong performance when it comes to Europe, the Middle East, Africa, North America in that 10-11% range. You've got a slight underperformance by Asia Pacific, but then an outperformance by Latin America. How much of this is going to be what we see for the rest of the year, or are there still a lot of anomalies in this geographical mix?
Yeah, very, very good question. And the answer, it comes also with the volatility that we have been talking and the relative comparison too. So last year we delivered double-digit growth in emerging geographies. This quarter, 8%. But that also comes with strong comparators, particularly in China, for last year, relative to they create a softer performance in Q1. We continue to see a strong penetration of our solutions in emerging geographies, and the pull and the demand, it's as strong as it has been in the past. Penetration of our solutions on bioenergy in Latin America, penetration of our solutions for biodiesel in Asia, continuous pull for our solutions penetrating household care in emerging geographies. And then a global trend of bio-based solutions, replacing chemicals, increasing health in food and nutrition. So you will continue to see us growing and performing strongly in emerging geographies.